Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a leave here in Zoho People. All right. So first up, you can go ahead and go to Leave Tracker or Home. Okay, as you can see here under Leave Tracker, you can just go ahead and click on Apply Leave. All right, click on it and select the type of leave that you wanted to apply. So another option is by going to Home right here. And in these tabs, just click on Leave. And you'll have a ton of options and you'll be able to see the available days for this specific leave. All right. So for example, I have here, okay, this type of leave, which is basically a template, okay, which I have enabled in my admin account. Okay. So 2 days, you can go and click on Apply Leave right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add in maybe Saturday to Sunday, like so. And once done, just type down your team email ID and the reason for your leave. All right. Sometimes, depending on how your admin set this up, they can go ahead and make the reason for leave required. Okay. So if it's not required, you can just go ahead and leave it blank. You will know that it is required when you got this asterisk right here. Okay, if not, just click on Submit. Once done, as you can see, it says record added successfully. So what you'll do is just go ahead and go to the top right and make sure that is approved or not. Okay. And sometimes your admin set this one as auto approved. If not, they will go ahead and manually approve it for you. All right. And there you have it. That is how you apply for a leave here in Zoho People. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.